Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 608. This was on symbol SHLS. As you can see, it was in our AI-based time strategy. We have three primary strategies in our time strategy, and those are calendars, diagonals, and butterflies. This was a butterfly, and I think this is a really good example of the power of our time strategy. When you take a look at the setup here, the stock made a big move to the downside, and it was right in between a pretty good area of resistance and a strong area of support. So putting on a butterfly, expecting it to stay in this trading range, made a lot of sense, on top of the fact that our AI is telling us that it's likely to stay in this trading range. So setting up a butterfly with such defined support resistance lines made an awful lot of sense. Now, normally when you put on a butterfly, you expect it to take some time for the butterfly to begin to generate a gain. You go through a period of time decay. In the case of our AI time strategy, we also get the implied volatility crush from the drop that occurs, creating an IV rush. So we profit from the crush that occurs afterwards. Now in this case, as you can see, the butterfly profited 28% in just 10 days. That's pretty unusual for a butterfly pattern. Normally, you take more time. The average time in our time strategy is around 18 to 21 days, and that's including calendars. So in this case, we generated a gain much faster than normal. Now look what happened in this pattern. We're dead in between that support and resistance, but we began to form a symmetrical triangle. And one of my rules within Elliott Wave is the triangles trump everything. Triangles can break out in either direction. So with this well-formed triangle here, we started to break out, which said, okay, maybe we'll want to go ahead and look at taking this gain. So generating over 28% in just 10 days. I'm going to do that all the time. Look at our mark-to-market graph. Not one single day from the inception of this alert did we break below the zero line. There was no drawdown ever in this position. So setting up this butterfly in a period, as you can see, it was a December trade. We entered it in December. We exited in December, which is normally a low volatility month to start with. So to generate that kind of gain in such a short term in a butterfly, I think is pretty impressive. Again, illustrative of the power of our AI-based time strategy. I really believe we're one of the first that's incorporating AI in a legitimately based strategy. I hope you found this interesting. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.